imagine looking up at the night sky. You see stars. You see distant galaxies. Everything appears calm. Everything appears still. But that is an illusion. At this very moment, the Milky Way is moving through space at nearly 600 kilometers every second. Not around the sun, not around the center of our galaxy. The entire galaxy itself is falling, and it isn't alone. The Andromeda Galaxy, the Virgo cluster, hundreds of thousands of galaxies are all drifting in the same direction, towards something hidden, something unimaginably massive, something we cannot even see. Astronomers gave it a name: the Great Attractor. For nearly half a century, it has remained one of the greatest mysteries in the universe, not because it is invisible, but because something is preventing us from seeing it. For thousands of years, humans believed the stars were fixed. Ancient civilizations imagined the heavens as an unchanging dome. Every night, the same constellations returned, the same stars rose and fell. The universe appeared perfectly still, but appearances can be deceiving. When astronomers began measuring galaxies during the 20th century, they discovered something extraordinary. Almost every galaxy was moving away from us, not because they were flying through space like bullets, but because space itself was expanding. This became one of the greatest discoveries in science. The universe wasn't static. It was growing. Every billion years, the distance between galaxies became larger, like raisins separating inside rising bread. The farther away a galaxy was, the faster it appeared to move. Everything seemed to obey one simple rule, until it didn't. Some galaxies were moving far faster than they should. Others were drifting in completely unexpected directions. These strange motions became known as peculiar velocities. They couldn't be explained by cosmic expansion alone. Something else was influencing them. Imagine standing beside a river. The water naturally flows downstream, but suddenly, you notice entire boats drifting sideways, not because of the river, but because an unseen current beneath the surface is pulling them. That was exactly what astronomers were seeing. Galaxies weren't simply riding the expansion of the universe. Something enormous was dragging them elsewhere. At first, scientists thought their calculations were wrong. Perhaps distances had been measured incorrectly. Perhaps telescopes weren't accurate enough. But every new observation pointed toward the same conclusion. Entire galaxy clusters, containing trillions of stars, were accelerating toward a single region of space, including us. The Milky Way wasn't sitting peacefully inside the universe. It was falling. Every second, our galaxy moves hundreds of kilometers closer to an invisible destination, not because of the sun, not because of the local group, not even because of our nearest galaxy clusters. Something much larger was calling. To understand just how astonishing this is, we need to understand scale. Earth circles the sun. The sun circles the center of the Milky Way. The Milky Way belongs to a small collection of more than 50 galaxies called the Local Group. The Local Group belongs to the Virgo cluster. The Virgo cluster belongs to something even larger, a gigantic river of galaxies stretching across more than 500 million light-years. Scientists call it Laniakea. In Hawaiian, Laniakea means immense heaven. It contains around 100,000 galaxies, each filled with billions of stars, each containing planets, possibly life, possibly civilizations, and the entire structure is drifting like leaves floating down a cosmic river. But where is this river going? The answer lies nearly 250 million light-years away, toward a hidden region behind our own galaxy. a place so crowded with galaxies, its gravity bends the motion of everything around it. Astronomers called it the Great Attractor. The name sounds almost mythical, like some enormous creature lurking in darkness. But the reality? Maybe even stranger. The Great Attractor isn't a single object. It isn't one giant black hole. It isn't a monster floating through space. Instead, it appears to be a vast concentration of matter. Thousands of galaxies, dark matter, galaxy clusters, all packed together with enough gravity to influence millions of surrounding galaxies, including ours. So why can't we simply point a telescope toward it? Because something is blocking our view, our own galaxy. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars, immense clouds of dust, gas, radiation. Imagine trying to see a lighthouse while standing inside a dense forest. The trees completely block the horizon. The lighthouse may be enormous, but you'll never see it clearly. Astronomers call this region the Zone of Avoidance. It isn't empty. Far from it. It's simply hidden behind the Milky Way. For decades, the universe itself concealed one of its greatest secrets behind a curtain of stars. That didn't stop scientists. Instead of using visible light, they turned to infrared telescopes, radio observatories, X-ray satellites, each capable of seeing through the cosmic dust. Slowly, the hidden universe began to emerge. Entire galaxy clusters appeared, massive structures, invisible before. The Great Attractor wasn't imagination. It was real, but something even bigger soon appeared beyond it. Researchers realized the Great Attractor might not be the final destination at all. Far beyond it lies one of the largest concentrations of galaxies ever discovered, the Shapley Supercluster, containing more than 8,000 galaxies. Its mass is so enormous that it may contribute significantly to the pull we experience. In other words, the Great Attractor may only be part of an even larger cosmic landscape. Think about that for a moment. For decades, humanity believed we had found the source. Then better observations revealed there was something beyond. Every time we improve our instruments, the universe grows larger, more complicated, more mysterious. It's like climbing a mountain, only to discover an even higher mountain waiting behind it. Perhaps the most humbling realization is this: everything you've ever known, every mountain, every ocean, every human being, every civilization, every animal that has ever lived, exists inside one tiny galaxy. That galaxy exists inside one tiny group. That group exists inside one enormous supercluster. And that supercluster is moving through space toward forces so immense that even astronomers are still trying to understand them. We often imagine ourselves as explorers, masters of discovery. Yet compared to these cosmic structures, human history lasts less than a blink. Our entire civilization is riding aboard a galaxy, being carried through darkness toward destinations we did not choose. And perhaps that is the true meaning of the Great Attractor. Not that there is a monster waiting in the dark, but that the universe itself is connected on scales almost impossible to imagine. Nothing exists in isolation. Every galaxy influences another. Gravity stretches across hundreds of millions of light years, invisible, silent, relentless. Even now, while you sit watching this video, the Milky Way continues its journey, every second, every minute, every year, moving toward a region we cannot fully see, a destination still being mapped by scientists. A reminder that even our home galaxy is only another traveler in an unimaginably vast cosmic ocean.